Yeah, I'm Kinnear Thomas, a teacher there. The rebel leader, Joseph Kony, started to move on top of one of the hills with 3 people. And he was praying, saying that he's holy and he wants people of Bashir to be saved because of the suffering they've been meeting so much with the current government by then. So he went and prayed. He took off with those and with some few members and went to the bush, confirming that he's going to overpower the current government, and he would actually redeem or save all the Chil people. Well, he had by then had no guns with him. Was holding only the Bible, and then was making sign of cross with some local materials, sign of cross for Jesus, and they were putting on their necks as a sign that they're holy people.